Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 2nd, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from EOG Resources. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. EOG Resources has just released their first quarter 2025 earnings report, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue figures to strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. EOG Resources reported operating revenues of $5.67 billion for the first quarter of 2025. John, how does this compare to their previous performance?
While the revenue is slightly down from the previous quarter, it's important to note that EOG's operating income remains strong at $1.86 billion. Their net income for the quarter was $1.46 billion, and they achieved an adjusted EPS of 87 cents, which is above the forecasted $2.74 by analysts.
That's impressive. What factors contributed to this strong profitability?
Their profitability is largely driven by effective cost management and operational efficiencies. Despite a challenging market environment, EOG has managed to maintain a solid margin, which is a testament to their strategic focus on cost control and operational excellence.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, analysts had forecasted an EPS of $2.74 for EOG Resources, based on a survey of 11 analysts. How did the actual results compare?
EOG Resources exceeded expectations with an adjusted EPS of $2.87, beating the forecast by 30 cents. This outperformance is a positive indicator of the company's financial health and operational efficiency.
What does this EPS beat mean for investors?
Beating EPS forecasts often boosts investor confidence, as it suggests that the company is performing better than anticipated. It can lead to positive market sentiment and potentially drive the stock price higher.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Let's talk about EOG's operational performance. What are the key highlights from their production and pricing metrics?
EOG reported crude oil volumes of 502.1 thousand barrels per day and natural gas prices at $3.41 per mcf. Their ability to maintain high production levels while managing costs effectively has resulted in a free cash flow of $1.33 billion for the quarter.
How does EOG's future outlook appear based on these results?
The outlook is positive. EOG's focus on operational efficiencies and strategic investments in high-return projects positions them well for future growth. They are likely to continue benefiting from their strong production capabilities and cost management strategies.
Leadership insights and strategic initiatives. John, what insights can you share from EOG's leadership regarding their strategic direction?
While we don't have a specific statement from the CEO, it's clear that EOG is committed to cost management and investing in high-return projects. Their strategic initiatives are focused on enhancing shareholder value through disciplined capital allocation and operational excellence.
How important is this strategic focus for EOG's long-term success?
It's crucial. By prioritizing cost management and high-return investments, EOG is positioning itself to navigate market fluctuations effectively and sustain long-term growth, which is essential for maintaining investor confidence and competitive advantage.
Key takeaways. In summary, EOG Resources has delivered a strong performance in the first quarter of 2025, with revenues of $5.67 billion and an adjusted EPS of 2.87 cents, surpassing analyst expectations. Their focus on operational efficiencies and strategic investments bodes well for the future. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing EOG's impressive results.
Thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on EOG's performance in the comments below. Until next time,